Okay, so welcome back. And so now we're going to do some practical examples. So one of the things I want to say before I jump into this problem is keep in mind that adding numbers and making sure that you get the correct number every time is important in a lot of trades, especially if you're in a technical trade or something where, you know, numbers are important, right? And so getting the correct answer every time could be the meaning of keeping or, you know, doing your job correctly and keeping your job, to be honest with you. So it's always important to make sure that you're doing your due diligence to make sure you got the correct answer, checking your answer, and making sure those things are done. So with that being said, let's jump in. I'm going to read this problem and then we'll work it out. It says, in order to accommodate the weight of their equipment, the California Highway Patrol, CHIPS, is now using an SUV instead of a sedan as their primary vehicle. The additional equipment they carry include a push bumper, 54 pounds, a computer, 12 pounds, a gun tub with rifles, 32 pounds, a light bar, 30 pounds, a prisoner barrier, 56 pounds, radio and video equipment, 270 pounds, and other miscellaneous supplies such as flares, first aid supplies, and traffic cones, 50 pounds. What is the total weight of the additional equipment listed? Okay, so now I'm going to write out the weights. So the first thing is we have 54 pounds, so 54, 12, 32, 30. And then we have 56, 270, 50. Okay, so what they want is they want to know what the total weight is. Now, again, remember, keep in mind that all of these numbers are in pounds. Okay? So when we add up these numbers, our answer is going to be in pounds, and we want to make sure that we write our answer accordingly. Okay, so now, if we add up these numbers, again, let's estimate, right? We can estimate the answer to come up with an idea. So if we estimate the nearest 10, so this is going to be 50 plus 10 is 60, plus another 30, which is 90, plus another 30, which is 120, plus another 60, which is 180, plus another 270, right? And so that brings us to what? 450? 500, right? So that should be 500 pounds, right? So our answer should be close to 500 pounds when we estimate that. And so if you want to visualize it, so we have 50 plus 10 plus 30 plus 30 plus 60 plus 270 plus 50. And so if we add this up, what brings us to 0? This adds up to what? 5, 6, 9, 12, 18, 25, 30. So we carry the 3 here and we end up with 500. Okay? Now, so our answer should be close to 500 pounds. So now, when we add these, again, we're going to go through the process. Again, we can either add left to like I do or add right like the textbook does, okay, or most textbooks do. So again, if we add, we get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14. So we get 4 here, and we're going to carry the 1. And then we get 6, 7, 10, 13, 18, 25, 30, right? So we get a 0 there, we carry the 3, and then we add the 3 and the 2, and we get 504 pounds of equipment that is in the SUV. So this tells us that the SUVs will carry 504 pounds of additional equipment, and our estimate was very close. So this is good. Okay? Okay. Have a great day.